Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a team-managed project in Jira, whether you're launching a new development initiative, managing HR onboarding, or anything in between. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not only how to create your own team-managed workspace in Jira Cloud, but also why it makes collaborating so much smoother for cross-functional teams. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure you have the right permissions in Jira before you begin. This means you need to be a Jira administrator, or at minimum, have the Create Projects permission in your Jira instance. If you're not sure about your access, just double-check with your workspace admin. This will save you time and prevent any headaches as you go. With permissions sorted, let's start by logging into your Jira Cloud account. Once you're on your dashboard, look towards the top navigation bar and click on the Projects drop-down menu. This is where all your project magic begins. On the right, you'll spot a Create Project button. Go ahead and click that. It's easy to overlook, especially if you're used to the old Jira layouts. So if you don't see it immediately, just scan the area near the top right of the projects list. Now, Jira will prompt you to choose your template and management style. This part is crucial, so slow down and consider what kind of project you're setting up. If you're running a software development team, pick the software category. For HR, operations, or support, look at business or service management. Next, pick a template that fits your team's workflow. For instance, Scrum if you run time-boxed sprints, or Kanban if you like a more continuous flow with flexible priorities. When you've made your choice, click Use Template. Jira will now ask you which management type you want, company-managed or team-managed. For this tutorial, select Team-Managed and press Select. Choosing Team-Managed gives your team more independence, allowing you to tailor boards, workflows, and rules just for this project, without affecting what others see or do. It's especially powerful for agile, rapidly changing teams. Next up is naming your project. Take a moment to think up a descriptive, clear name so everyone knows what this project is about. Something like mobile app development or HR onboarding works well. Jira will automatically create a project key, usually taking the initials of your project name, such as MOB or HR. If you want to customize this key, now's your chance. But a quick warning, changing it later on becomes tricky, so pick something that will make sense for the long run. Before you create the project, double-check that the project type clearly says Team Managed Project. This confirmation is worth pausing for. Once you're happy, hit Create Project. In just a few moments, Jira will spin up your new Team Managed Project, and you're ready to go. The workspace is immediately usable, but the next steps can really set your team up for success. On your new project's summary page, there's an Invite Team Members button. Click here to add people by email address, whether that's developers, designers, project managers, or HR staff. Bringing in your team early is the key to collaborative momentum. You can stop here, but I recommend you spend a few minutes exploring project configuration. On the left-hand navigation menu, dive into project settings. Here, you can enable or disable features to match your team's style, like adding a backlog for sprint planning, turning on reports for easy progress tracking, or creating custom issue types and workflows that fit your process. The great thing is, these settings only affect this project, not your whole Jira instance. So don't be afraid to experiment. Your changes won't break anything elsewhere. And there you have it. Your team-managed project in Jira is ready to power your team forward. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Leave any questions or experiences in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating!